Zoe here today, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how long do eyelash extensions last, some factors that play a role in your overall retention, and some tips to make sure your lashes last longer. Without further ado, let's get on to the rest of the video. So a quick side note, I'm going to be using the word retention a lot, and if you guys don't know what the word retention means, in this context, retention is just referring to how long your eyelash extensions last. So now that we know that, we could actually go on to the rest of the video. Keep on watching! So the short answer to how long do my eyelash extensions last is going to be anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. But eyelash extension retention is due to a variety of different things such as your hormones, how fast your lashes grow, your aftercare maintenance, the humidity in the room when you get your lashes done, and how well your lash artist applies the extension to the base of your natural lash. I bet you didn't know all of those things play a role into how long your eyelash extensions last, but I assure you all of those are really important factors into deciding how long your eyelash extensions last. So yeah, saying 2 to 4 weeks does give a pretty vague answer, but it is true, however, that extensions do last in that time frame from 2 to 4 weeks. As a lash artist, we can only do so much to ensure that you have as much time as possible with your beautiful fluffy lashes, ensuring that our humidity is in range, we apply the right sealants, we apply it to the base of your natural lash, but it is of equal importance to make sure that your client also does their job into making sure that they have the longest time with their beautiful fluffy lashes, like refraining from touching them too much, washing them every day, and I'm going to go into some key factors that contribute into how long your eyelash extensions last and why sometimes that time tends to fluctuate. So my eyelash extension clients have their retention go anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. I've had clients who've also had their extensions on for like 6 weeks plus, but a fill is every 2 to 3 weeks, and they do get charged for a full set if they come in after that. But it's also important to say that I've had clients that have their extensions lasted for 6 weeks, and I've had extension clients who've had their lashes last for 6 days. Sometimes the glue isn't for them and we switch it out, and sometimes they get amazing retention again. I haven't had that problem where extensions have lasted for like 6 days again. I think it was just problems with the glue and the humidity, and also I was just starting out with the extension, so I didn't know how to apply the bases properly to the natural lash. Your retention is also closely related to your lash cycle. So your lash cycle grows in 3 phases, and you could lose anywhere from 3 to 8 lashes a day. And when you have extensions, you can definitely see those 3 to 8 lashes a day much more vividly, because instead of seeing a thin eyelash, you now see a darker, curlier lash, and you're able to see the roots of your natural lash, which is why a lot of people think extensions make their lashes shed more, when in actuality those lashes were bound to shed anyways. You just can see it more because an extension is applied on top. So people are like sending me pictures all the time of like an eyelash extension shedding with their natural lash, but it's completely normal and it's part of your natural lash cycle. And it is important to tell your clients that those lashes were bound to shed whether or not you were getting extensions. You're losing lashes every day, but they're just much more prominent when you have extensions on. Bare minimum, your lashes should last you about 2 weeks, and you should be coming back for your fill every 2 weeks. But if you're pregnant, if you're on Accutane, if you're breastfeeding, if you're on your period, that time frame is likely to change. However, if your lashes are like halfway gone and it's been 3 days since your appointment, you definitely need to contact your lash artist because something was wrong. They obviously didn't do something right, maybe you didn't do something right, and it's very important to get to the bottom of why your lashes are only lasting you days instead of weeks. And when you contact your lash artist, make sure you send them a picture, and remember, it's not what you say, it's how you say it, so just be polite. Now, some tips for making your eyelash extensions last longer are as follows. So number 1 tip that I have to getting longer retention is to keep your lashes clean. Clean lashes last longer. Let me tell you why my eyelash extension retention Let me tell you why my eyelash extension retention is 3 to 4 weeks, because my clients do their part in making sure that their lashes are clean. If they were to go on vacation, their lashes would even last them, a month and a half, and I've seen it before. They take really good care of their natural lashes. They make sure they clean it every day with an oil-free cleanser. Even if you don't wear makeup, you still have to clean your lashes. And most lash artists will sell their own lash bath, and this will range anywhere from $10 to $20. I sell mine for $15. It's just a gentle oil-free cleanser that I use twice every time where I brush my teeth. in the morning and at night, I just make sure my lashes are clean. Let me grab you mine. This is my eyelash cleanser. It comes with a little brush as well, so you could get like in your lash line and aftercare instructions, a little card. Number 2 tip that I have for you guys is to stay away from oil-based products. Oil breaks down the adhesive, and so your extensions are definitely likely to fall off faster. Even if you have an oil-based product, you could still use it on your face like a moisturizer or a face wash, but people even put it on their forehead and they don't realize when they sweat it tends to get on your lash line, and that is why your lashes are probably falling off a lot faster, because you have oil-based products around your eyes. And even when you wear eyeshadow, you clean your lash line, but people don't usually clean their whole lid, so like even when they sweat, it'll just come back to your lash line. Everything comes back to your lash line, guys. That's the moral of the story. Hopefully you guys were able to understand better eyelash extension retention. So hopefully you got some good tips, and hopefully you will contact your lash artist next time your lashes fall off the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye everyone!